In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, look at the left side menu and click on Online Store. Next, click on Customize next to your active theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can change different parts of your store design. Now look toward the left side and click on Theme Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and select Social Media. Here you'll see different fields for social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and X, formerly Twitter. Simply paste your social media profile links into the matching fields. For example, paste your Facebook page URL into the Facebook field and your Instagram profile link into the Instagram field. Once you've added all your links, click the Save button at the top right corner. After saving, exit the theme editor and return to your Shopify dashboard. Now click View Your Store to open your live website. Scroll to the footer or the section where your theme displays social media icons, and you should now see the icons linked to your social media pages. And that's it. You've successfully added social media icons to your Shopify store, helping customers connect with your brand across different platforms. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.